Namaste students, in this video we are going to see 7th and 8th problem, exercise 8.1, 7th problem first. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus sin theta, then cot square theta. So first we have to find the missing frequency by using that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay, then first write the formula. So what is a cot formula? Before that you have to write for tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So the reciprocal of tan theta only cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite is equal to 7 by 8 is equal to 7 by 8. Now draw a triangle. (90°) A, B, C, and then this is hypotenuse. And theta, we have to represent theta. That is given with the A, B, C. Theta only they have given. So I am going to consider theta here. First consider theta. Then only you have to write which is opposite. This is opposite and this one is adjacent. So adjacent is 7. Adjacent is 7. And the opposite is 8. You have to find the hypotenuse. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC, that only we have to find. AB is 8 square plus 7 square. 8 square is what? 64 plus 49. Then it is 113. Shift the square to that side. You can take a square root for 113. No, we can't take it. So keep it as it is. Okay. So first problem. Now see the first one, that you have to find the value for 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. So first we have to find the value for sin theta and cos theta. That I am going to find. Here they represented theta only. So keep the diagram as it is and find the value of sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? 8. 8 divided by root 113. 8 divided by 113. And then cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what? 7. 7 divided by root 113. Now substitute here 1 plus 8 divided by root 113. 1 minus 8 divided by root 113 divided by 1 plus 7 divided by root 113 and 1 minus 7 divided by root 113. So one is in positive and another one is in negative. So I am going to apply the formula A plus B and A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. Okay. So A is 1 and the B value is 8 by root 113. 8 by root 113. So A square, I am going to apply the formula A square minus B square formula, that is A plus B and A minus B. The value of A for the numerator is 1 and denominator is 8. B is 8 by root 113. So A square, 1 square minus 8 divided by root 113 the whole square. And then here for the denominator 1 square minus 7 divided by root 113 the whole square. Apply the same formula for the denominator also. Then you will get 1 square minus 7 by root 113 the whole square. Take a square, that is 1 minus 8 square is 64 divided by 113, and then 1 minus 7 square is 49 divided by 113, and take LCM. 113 minus 64 divided by 113 minus 49 divided by 113. So if we subtract, what we will get? That 113 minus 64 is 49 divided by 113, and then if you subtract 113 minus 49 means you will get 64 divided by 113. Then reciprocal it, 113 divided by 69. Now cancel 113 and the remaining is 49 divided by 64. So the value for this one, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. The value is 49 by 64. First to find the value of sin theta and cos theta and apply in the question. Okay, that 1 plus sin, instead of sin you have to substitute 8 by root 113, and instead of cos theta you have to substitute 7 divided by root 113. Clear? Next is subdivision, second sum. In that what you have to find? Cot square theta. You have to find for cos square theta. So first, before writing that cot formula, I have to write tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. Okay. Now cot square theta, that is the cot theta value. Cot theta formula is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is 7 and opposite is 8. So 7 by 8. 7 by 8 the whole square. 7 by 8 the whole square. Okay. And then 7 square is 49 divided by 64. 49 divided by 64. This is very easy. Just write the trigonometric ratio, that adjacent by opposite, and apply the numbers 7 by 8. The whole square is 49 by 64. Thank you. Next, 8th problem. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So first you have to find the missing side. For that, write 3 cot A is equal to 4 and bring 3 to the denominator. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Cot A formula is what? Tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. So inverse of reciprocal of tan is cot. So adjacent by opposite. Draw the triangle. A, B, C, and this is 90 degree. This is hypotenuse, and for angle A only you have to find everything. So this is opposite and this one is adjacent. Adjacent is 4, opposite is 3, and you have to find the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to plus 3 square. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. AC square. AC is equal to root 25. AC is equal to 5. AC is equal to 5. Clear? So, hypotenuse is 5. You have to find for tan A, cos A, sin A. First find everything. Tan A. And then you have to find cos A. And then you have to find sin A. Sin A formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. And tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is what? 3. 3 by 4. Cos adjacent by 5. And then opposite 3 by 5. So tan A value is 3 by 4 and cos A value is 4 by 5 and sin A value is 3 by 5. Okay. Now substitute in the question. 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole square is equal to, substitute the value of tan A and then cos A. 4 by 5 the whole square and 3 by 5 the whole square. And then now square this one. 1 minus 9 by 16. 1 plus 9 by 16. So if you square what you will get? 16 by 25. 9 by 25. Take LCM. 16 minus 9 divided by 16. 16 plus 9 divided by 16. Take LCM. Here we have a common denominator, so we can take a LCM. 16 minus 9. Clear? And then 16 minus 9 is what? 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 divided by 16. And then 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 divided by 16 is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7 divided by 25. Reciprocal this one. 16 by 25. So we can cancel 16, 16. The remaining is 7 by 25 is equal to 7 by 25. Clear all of you? They asked that whether it is equal or not. So now we proved it is equal, that 7 by 25 is equal to 7 by 25. Thank you.